how to open a Remitly account. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. A lot of people are using Remitly nowadays because of its way or good way on how to send and receive a money. So what you're going to do first is to simply go to any web browser and then type Remitly, and you have to click this join now at the top right corner. Tap this one, and they will just ask a few information about you in order for you to open a Remitly account. But first, of course, you have to create a Remitly profile. They will ask for your email address, your password, confirm password, and then you can now start sending money to anyone here. So let's just say, for example, you want to send money to this specific country right here. So actually, the delivery method and payment method varies on the country you are living and to where you're about to send your money. So, for example, I'm currently living in USA and I want to send money to Philippines. Then I can type the amount here and the number that or the amount that they will receive. How would you like to money deliver? So you can see the options right here. So there are different ways. How can they receive the money? So mobile, bank deposit, debit, and so on. Also for how would you like to pay? You can pay via debit card, credit card, or bank account. But like what I've said, it depends on the country you're living and to where you want to send your money. Okay, click select. And then once done, you can review and then tap continue. Now here is you can choose the bank account or bank deposit. Select your recipient's bank account. So it's very important to know your recipient's bank account here. If you can see it right here, then you can click this choose another bank account. Then you will see other options right here. So once you've chosen your bank account or recipient's bank, then you can now proceed to the next step, and that is to enter account number or your recipient's account details. So type the number here, and then once you're done, click continue. And then after that, you need to input recipient's name. Information should match the name on your recipient's bank account, of course. If not, then you will encounter some errors here. So once done, click continue. And then after that, you have to proceed with recipient city and state. Again, this should be matched with the recipient's account details. Okay, and then once done, you can now tap continue. And then after that, recipient's notification, of course, is when it's very important so that your recipient will be notified once you have sent the money. But actually, this one is optional. You can tap skip or you can tap continue. Okay, so sender details, that is your details. Okay, so your first name here, your last name, and date of birth. Okay, and then after that, you have to click continue. So once you're done with sending your or adding your details here, make sure that these are all correct. You can now confirm your information. So your information should exactly match with what's on your ID. So you have to, enter the information here. Your information to be exact, street. Also, you need to input or type your apartment details here. But actually, this one is optional. As you can see, this one is optional here, and then your city, state, zip code. So once everything is okay or done, what you want to do next is to click continue, then add your number so that you will be notified for any status here. Select payment method. You can send via bank or other ways here. So as you can see, all you have to do is to type your routing number, account number, your name will appear here, billing address, and then tap continue, or you can send via savings. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Tap continue, review or recheck the information before sending, and that's it. Your recipient will receive the money that you have sent to them. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.